I disease Bima Ubibia Aquaba Hadia latest and hot news and I'm the Premo MT Sawinian subscriber ya. Omadia say over subscribe to the channel. Yobayan say over click the subscribe button. Now what barely notification no. Where is our video be upload no. When the first person I was abeka ASR video. Afi we are now like video and give us a thumbs up. Nafi share bar of Frostuna when you be here now and summer air also air Ghana Memoharam. Afi Yangura and summer Abetoya Ponoso. Iti ASR reporting Sansibia Cosi. Iti summer Cosi.
So I think that week way at Asamoah Gyan saw the letter Babon say or say what Jai NPP in as a phone. But question maybe some say Oko Johnny NPP no the catch will be. So Jaya new business.
Because I mean the understand na who's o ma defraud no. So
Alaska you see me another bia me ka say Ghana na you no bia wo every right to belong to whichever political party you want. And me I always advocate young people should come do politics, and political parties are an instrument used to capture political power, a vehicle. It is a party no crowd free say now you can cause change say then democracy in a biano no. So obi are right. But you see Agyapong for quite some time matana say adwene ho ne say woni say Bawumia manifesto we na oye ye no in terms of sports. Asamoah Gyan no chair that particular thing.
That's right.
Good. So proposals are babonti na ewo manifesto numa no mo ka say omo ba be 6 new sports stadium. Ewo the 6 new regions. Am betena ka cha say enyenyan sade say nipa kwakotena ase akokka sasem enti that particular thing came from Asamoah Gyan.
That's right. Honor chairman for sports committee.
Because mayor analysis in the catcher will say
watching juicy news
stadium I did bobo I will chroma back who are currently a fit for purpose.
Hot news
I meet calf international standard bia. So in the manifesto no there was no space a bit me atena sitting and sadebia said the existing ones you know at least yenya bibim fa ho na ye hu kwan fa say be maintain but rather na yen tamo man sika when he knows that tamale Ali Muhammad Sports Stadium no adan white elephant
that's right.
And say Oko Cape Coast even Kumasi Sports Stadium kra no adan baller enesi ho
otumfo ho
yes na obi abo no wabo bi pen you understand football what football na say what ball to the highest level what captain the blasters obi animo pedigree ni ba bia waduru na won hu say Accra Sports Stadium okwa even washroom kra no you can't even use stadium no for the past 5 years you are renovating 5 times. We are sports legend, you understand all these things. Now we two are buying for say on for Ghana for Sika and San Kosi 6 sports stadium. Na ya tamashe manifesto ma buying no we near and no ba ye or the Sika Kwaku stadium. Then you come back and tell us say wejai now who cares? Because I never Bawumia win elections and now stadium now practically ye jano ho 2.3 at the Ghana for Sika Kosi 6 new stadiums or by podia and you are the one who advised him to do that when you know sir football clubs are all kroma baby on ball no win bi and now o ma sanction ya just a Cote d'Ivoire na Benin and yakobo match e kroma
serious Ghana
and Gyamfi say Bawumia den sports ase and other people you know you have played football to the highest level now advisor as a committee. I am saying this because I'm told say on and all chair the sports committee in charge of manifesto Nyansa Ben was brought to bear in ensuring say we protect existing stadium because moko tena se buy na ncha na ka for begu yanim ase na no ball na ebo no kumase no abontin team na ne boy no Kenya for coach ne ka kire say o mind to say Ghana nye stadium near.
That's right.
That is a direct insult to everybody, including the president. Out your bond of Shemfano.
And it's a what your mama na Ghana for so mining Koya. Boy, ya boy, Kurama, Obiofi Abonti countries or mining yet. And yet, and to one about born will be bent to the highest level, no. You need to realize that no, say Bawumia proposal say or Kwaku 6 in the catch say, oh, that be Nyansa be a nim because your CBC Cape Coast are dying baller. Yes, Accra the not dying baller. When was the last time I bought international match at Accra Sports Stadium?
because enya fit for purpose Kwatamale and several other sports stadium when I bet you say no we can't do that young focus so now you renovate Kumasi anyway to a standard that sabi then you go and advise that gullible joker to go and build 6 new sports stadium in 6 regions when sports stadium team could have been on a ball so
Alzheimer Premier League class in basis
Alaska go back and check the amount of money you pay boys no salary na bas yare uko some of the small clubs na your players ni be 1,000 na 1,000 po dem can be I'm told that some of the clubs pay their players 500 Ghana cedis 500 Ghana cedis for a Premier League player. So when I want to the highest level no you bring out ideas how do we because me I don't support sa 18 club sports league na yeboni nyansa bia nim because her club here ofri tamaleba yi bas your team I say chese uhu a obukura befu sa tete osani bia ye konkurase no yes the clubs they are omuni financial muscle enti teams kura no you can emerge some of the teams na yem play maybe 12 league sabe ya financially no betimi support you omo now we're making sure that every single player be about Ghana Premier League the minimum salary obedi 3,000 team no bet you half say government bet me support to be that is what you do
football economy
don't go and tell your mom bus for the end but no me say me tinchen me propose say dey my way is understandable people may assume say Ivan is naive about football but we know what Bobby to the highest level you are aware the challenges these people are going through and you go there and tell them that they should give them bus football academy yenibu okroma we can build sports colleges Alaska and now uko Barcelona enya La Masia ne produce Messi
that's right
ade we enya football we keke eye school ka ho so players no more free side school they don't only play Barcelona we they sell some of them to other way we are unfit so a institution any training a produce players
so you are referring to the football economy
yes because eno na betime generate a lot of revenue and to one can was such experience no ko wuram can wisdom ni nyansa will come to better no let us build one sports college
and two person church Asamoah Gyan no ni oye ni nyansa se
well let's say o se wejai o ko wuram no wa moya mane e na o free no na wa boya mane na meka de nka obetimi di ni nyansa ya wa mfa anye e na meka because your sports college e wo krom ha
international onim nyansa
Alaska and one kasa you can conclude Alaska you see niema we nyina besi because we nyana for and I make say me ya na niema ya me ya say me ya president for Ghana for just 6 months Alaska hey Ghana be ya there I'm telling you because you see the level of indiscipline as for me I don't see leadership especially so 2014 no mo call ball I say yam first kan kwan komo mo ball no okay sa incident
that's right
yes Asamoah Gyan say President Mahama free phone say mo fa phone ma captain ma me ne nkasa oso
ne nkasa
and then he's telling the players that they should not go for training
for 2 days
Alaska me your president I will never carry money on planes I me dey come out wo kono yan sign document bi say official no ye betu aka park no ye say ma per diem and as you do winning bonus be maw there was no contractor we was saying Mensah chese sika na ban nyanka so be maw and after all wo your man adwuma it is your duty to do and what gia to ma what na play mo ed wakono you have to play unless you are sick
so
and coach
he instigated the players
Alaska and make us onyana for me your president we are Ghana ni but I'm telling you so ube here visa before you come back to your own country because medical persona non grata.
That's right.
You will need a visa. You go to Ghana embassy in Brazil, go for interview. You demo fit and start waiting about one case. We see we don't need to joke. I'm telling you. Now yes, so I will never put one CD on place when they come out. Oh my jai. Back at the coach and say on your place or we ready so on form kobo but the onu free so be boss you more na onyare no. Fanny D mame, I am telling the Ghana your mind, but we here visa before you come back here. And they'll go do this nonsense there and they come back scot-free. And now he's comfortable doing some of these things. You see, Alaska, we need to get serious. Me say, we a leader. You cannot be weak. You cannot show mercy. Because a Jew in summer. So a minor Jew in summer. everybody obi abaye de ope.
And the dance around Asamoah Gyan time when you're not.
Yes.
You reserve for galamsey for another.
Yes. So me obi or party no join any mini issue but I was expecting some manifesto no sports side no. Some of the major problems are affecting your football and run make us say Akufo Addo ne me am club Accra House of Folk me whom the mfaso also.
And now what shall repeat?
Yes. The House of Folk there.
Because me chapter me dom na no accuse me say my baby tenase na me hwe.
Yes. Na Alaska na wunya house ni ncha mi o.
Okay.
Obi oni me omo mu ni me they know me. But team na dan baller team. Titia pansa me you don't even know where to start from. Sa na Akufo Addo aban na ye. But you see, there are challenges with this club. First, in the early 2000s.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah, the house G. We are proud of the flag in as a foreign number. But can you say the same thing? Yeah, yes. Alaska. And one mababo to that level, no. You know the challenges, the real challenges confronting these teams. And as well, how do we look at the GFA? The GFA are blasters GFA. They don't even care about the club.
Exactly.
You started Premier League with Kroma say Alaska. TV coverage nibi. And these jokers are standing. Matisa say, or more yen a GFA president no got 10. Or man way as Obia Yare. Alaska. Because that is the last thing that should come out of your head. Now no matter says GFA for say, oh, your league, you know, ya na chinje bamintino, ya kofa VAR. But I'm saying, ya na mo bodam. Oh, bobo wuram. Oh, kofa VAR. Oh, bobola. Alaska, would you play 500 Ghana cedis? You are going to buy a technology over millions of dollars.
Misplaced priority.
Because on mine make as a panini nim. Edu ko da sore na sabe nkurase dwene bi about team na who say obi ya de oba you think say you can do the same thing because elsewhere am the VAR air sports no they pay their players well. The coverage is nice, the stadium is good. Aye process now no stadium we need go to Brekum na ko be ombobo Kodoma, go to North ko be a amanfo gina bobo go and check the player salary na ko say more insurance pa sabi obi pra ebetima take care of Sécret class of the club until recently or almost as a pay Sécret go be some dombo tenu na so mbo border than say obi tua Sécret bo obi a Alaska. So these are the challenges I want to know mu no enti what disappointing you to wine one disappointing
also what disappointing you to
one disappointing ho because over the years he has been too overly partisan and ade ye metan ye mabufu ni say ade no wo mu na enya wonka ufiri mu wi a and our beka and na professor na no nwin na na mon friend professor Addo. Yes, today Akufo Addo council and I make us ye hu ye he was defending and then as because baby odidi na yi na free ho
na ne kwa wo board where 4 5 so
ya pam na free so ntia na ona Akufo Addo mugamu and me such a person when I see you as he was a joker, right? Because abra ye can no you thought say your friend say agrobi na yedi akwa say Paul 2.3 yes na oboa Christopher until say bonus to share the niso man te hwe form no hu nyansa ba na niso Alaska ebi na ato sa nkrofo we no but you know where they are going today we are coming from there and the Ghanaians will see them for who they are just a bunch of hypocrites Ghana for enteke omusio da bia meka among for say youth abamuade I am telling you say youth ababuade papa but you see environment no na asesa your friend say stakes no niema na ye wo mu no time no na asesa cause people ene amanfo esuan de ehu niema te niema ase and we panyini na wo kasa obe question the last time I make say Asamoah University of Ghana no I met a guy oka kire me say na oye soldier no ne yire ne date but that time no na lady no awo ba kono mu nyanware ye so treat lady no Obiaka won't sometimes you bet no near the no now I obey the same thing until the back small girl catch and say, oh yeah, then I catch say, Daddy, are you stupid? My cousin we actually pay.
That's right.
And I told him because in some manner or the yana mama, no, I cry not in terms of Daddy, are you stupid? So answer Ben at the Bemano.
Yes, I am.
And also since that day, the all you know when you be so sometimes it's not about say penny in the be cool. So we nyansani no akra Kenyans asem kiro no huseni pa no kan nyansasam kiro wa you need to
right Ivan meda say
the ma we ni buy no say bia wo kan ko nti ma me ne simple
simple man
on say ma betena fie 20 years of experience
okay
na pinfo afrel
okay
catch you off guard Charlie see na sports You himself why expose. You himself with to can experience. Dear no bit me aya, bit me a boy. The chair dream. Ain't no. Hey, me whom say, hey, maybe I make or what's your 9 penny for example, if your party as put 9 penny for say, you say, can I got na high table? Hey, you know, sure.
You are watching news on YouTube. Hot news.
But me, I always think about my people.
Okay.
How to send a message across.
So tell me, why did you accept Bawumia's offer? Say the sports committee manifesto.
Say, and no one said, "I
had to bomb him."
A friend, and I can't say, "Oh, yeah, now fee say beboa sports fraternity." Policy ben now fee say, "Yeah, the bar," and I say, "Yeah, beboa."
Okay.
Hey, you know who say, "Hey,
so what you do?"
And see, oh, I'm so. Me call you pay for want to be puputi.
That's right.
People dignity like
big guys.
Hey, never has opportunity. I know
what happening.
This is because me Gina way so any advice will be I say. Oh, I didn't know between the aboa. And you said you'll be back cantino.
Unko.
Now they wish you your whole life, no. What they go share them. It's even sebi. Eben say we are bro. As a win yes car, who say una bring ya usika intino. Udi unjoma. We wicked.
Okay.
But there are so many people in this country, they have ideas.
Now one fam man.
But also say be you know. Because we are affiliated to politics.
Okay.
Sisi ami Asamoah Gyan me strong. Obi apem asem make me aka be. But I feel say people will hear me from that side
more.
What you say? And me, I say, people can think whatever they want to think for 5 years, but me, no. At the end of the day, me say me feel more will be able to say.
That's right.
The NIS being an I just want to work.
Okay.
Into me try imagine, you know. And I'm say this is not ideas you the other. But chair committee, you know.
Oh, which side you know? Say I feel there. Yeah, member crab a chair committee.
Say me deep.
That's right.
Nema make kekano. And I say unim. You say usa modi. And I say
ba committee there.
But the chair committee, you know, you didn't hear a person chair committee.
She wholeheartedly want you to.
It's a balance, I know. Hey, another
level.
In New Hampshire, me feel say, oh, they are not planning. Hey, I feel they make a share ideas man go for their age, why not? But you go for affiliate everything to politics. So it's okay.
Fantastic. When you MP already?
MP almost started a decade. That time.
Bawumia.
They said they catch or say me go for no person be lead you.
Okay.
Go for framing, your person will be lead you. Me person me yes I didn't come yes I did a long time. Emma aspirant crowd put to me call me papa or catch me compare me papa just say my man but my papa because say papa to be friend who could MP because me ball me ball. But I feel them a bit nephew
into bit me simple
7% me make me
all right Martin room will be what town come for crash show Facebook.
listen
I'm listening.
In your shed here the boy be hey who order this guy be free say kono kudi ompe and no hypocrite.
No, that's true.
Again, because you're all camera.
Yeah, that's true.
That's true.
Sammy!
Captain. But only say me feel over.
Who feel it?
Rough.
Hey!
Share.
So feel it.
Say I'm me follow. Say in Ghana for.
That's right.
So zeal no ne.
Sanity. Say our spirit.
Ewule mongo. Ego yiniwe.
Afei Yambra project and so all regional games.
Papa.
Nah, idea anything. How did this whole thing start? Na ye Kwaku Annan wo hen.
And you know, since that 10 years old.
Oh, okay.
Ideas are. What say? Sebi. Open say, yeah, there you engage people. Go to the obika. Go to the weaka. No kikan near my boom. Also, you say, go to make us say, oh, fear me school. Hey, well, Asamoah Gyan should go. But me school, they not be granny papa.
No, too many cancel.
Maybe I will be. I mean,
okay, sure.
Because oh, some of school no Johnny, but when you are born, you know, or age ma. It is only money now for a decade, no. With 80, the guys and I'm just out there to buy. But honestly, me struggle to cry how to implement it. Some person me who send be me to be implement it. And na challenge kakra. It's for all these years, now for the time you solution, no. What I say, it lo and behold, the one original games for you. Ever contact me. If contact me, and I say, I think say me will better idea because almost share more ideas. And I'm sure I think say me a better idea. I think say you're the calm one. Ebe. If you know, because 7 months original games, no 7 months meeting back and forth.
Wow.
And that, and I be planning to be okay. You launch your original game.
Actually, me any Jeska. Actually, a sponsor, a sell, for cash call. This is something he's doing for the country. Okay. It's not for himself.
Okay.
Or yabwa or mine. Se say ball no kwabari. But they say oja bibia dachi oniwa. Yebeka say Asamoah Gyan is so asemesinsem. And now oboa through all regional games, you know. It's every region be able participate.
Yes. And say no region be our best. Into every trials. All the 16 regions. It's 9 sports disciplines, no. I saw your best from each discipline.
No, and your football, wow. Volleyball, basketball, tennis,
arm wrestling, long tennis, two no. Long tennis and table tennis. Yes, basketball. Okay. Basketball na
so what is so then the CNS is really so trauma laptop papa any day.
One shoes. Yeah, I was there.
You were there.
Yeah, one shoes.
One more trobia. When proud be.
I just don't want to go into details. But the mechanic say one more. One shoes.
Brazil music no mutua mama. Ule monko. Then etna
catcher mo say bloggers no. Among focus on original games. Now, the Akikano almost don't wait to original games now. Now, no more. It's a catch up before I can be, no. Mom can answer. No one can original games. No one answer the most.
Yo, waiting for waiting and someone abeto yapono because this news so and our head no. So we can subscribe. We have more than say we subscribe to the channel. Sanse hadia data and hot news and kwara with the promo. I think we are now like video and give us a thumbs up. Now, share my offer for so now we will be here now and somewhere also I will get a memoir. Also, let me share what we have for here and somewhere now I will comment boxing in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.